Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will show you how you can easily create a travel or hotel booking website using our plugin called Tourfic. With this plugin, you'll be able to create a website like Booking.com, Agoda, even Airbnb. So, please watch this video till the end. First of all, let me show you what you can expect after the end of this video. For example, this is a search feature. Let's say someone is looking for a hotel in Dhaka. There are 2 adults and 1 child. Their check-in date is 17th August and checkout date is 19th August. So, once they search, the results will show all the tours and hotels available. Each of the listings will show price, reviews, amenities, and address. Once you click on one hotel, on the single product page, you can see the titles, image galleries with pop-up feature, description, amenities, room type, FAQs, reviews, and even terms and conditions. Now, if someone clicks the reserve button, they will be redirected to the checkout page and then they need to fill up all the details and confirm booking. That's it. This plugin is based on WooCommerce, so all the data is managed by WooCommerce dashboard. Even if you want to integrate payment methods, you can just set up any WooCommerce supported payment methods and it should work perfectly. Let's now get started with our tutorial. First of all, once you are on your WordPress dashboard, you need to go to Plugins. Click Add New, search Tourfic. Click Install Now and activate. Once you install, you will see a notice to install WooCommerce. Click on the link and install it. Now you'll see our Tourfic tabs. Let's go to the settings. Let's go to the settings. You will see different options. For example, what would be the search result page? The search result page is basically this page. Now to do that, you first need to create a page called search result and publish it. Then go to the settings, select the page, and save. You can also change the post type slug. By default, the slug is Tourfic. You can change it to anything. For this video, let me write hotel. Click Save. Once you do that, you need to go to Settings and from there, Permalink, and click Save Options twice to flash the permalink. There is nothing else on the settings for now, and there may be more in the future. So, let's publish our hotel. You need to go to Tourfic and click Add New. Let's fill up all the data. Title, description. Note that we are using the classic editor. You can also use Gutenberg. Let's now go to the options panel. Highlights are basically the summary of the hotel. On popular features, you can search or add the feature available. These will be available for filters on search result page, as you can see on the demo preview. On the destination, you need to create a new destination or select the existing one. On the tour image, select the featured image. Now, let's go to Rooms and add rooms. Add a name, description. The features are these as you can see in the demo. In the future, we will try to add an icon library. For now, you can go to Font Awesome, select your icon. You can just copy the shortcode and change the icon name and text. Let's add two features, free Wi-Fi and an attached bathroom. Let's make the price 50. Add a sales price 25. Let's leave the packs number 2. On the gallery, click Add New Gallery. Click Ctrl or CMD button on your PC in order to select multiple images. There you go. On the location, you need to add the address of your hotel and it will be automatically connected to Google Map. On the FAQ, let's add some dummy FAQ. The Ask Questions is this feature. A customer can easily send questions. The email you set here is the place where the customer's questions will go. On the Terms and Conditions, you can add your own condition or you can copy a custom table like this. Now, let's publish it. There you go. It's now published. All the details you can see here. There is also a custom review option where your customer can leave a review. If you click Show Map, it will be redirected to Google Map with a pinpoint area. We have plans to add multi-vendor function as well as Google Map API in future. Work is in progress. That's basically it. We have shown how to create hotels. You can also create travel plans in a similar manner. Currently, we have one tab. We are working on providing multiple tabs like hotels, tours, flights, etc. Hopefully, those will be pretty soon. Oh, another thing we forgot to share. This plugin consists of some shortcodes. For example, in order to display the search, featured destinations, featured properties, all you have to do is copy and paste the shortcode on a page or widgets or wherever you want. Let me show you one example. There you go. The shortcodes can be found on our plugin description page on WordPress.org. I hope you loved our tutorial. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thank you.